Pastels are one of the most expressive, vibrant mediums out there, but they can also be messy, intimidating, and tricky to control, unless you know the secrets. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the secrets to success with pastels, so you can create beautiful, confident works of art every time you pick up a stick. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, these tips will help you improve your control, make smarter material choices, and avoid some of the most common mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll feel more prepared to get the most out of your pastel artwork. Secret number 1, choose the right paper. The first secret to pastel success is choosing the right surface. Pastels need texture or tooth in the paper to grip the pigment. Smooth paper will fill up too quickly and limit your layering. For beginners, sanded paper like UArt or pastel matte are excellent choices. They hold multiple layers of pastel and allow for corrections. Think of your paper as the foundation of your artwork. The better the foundation, the stronger your finished piece. Secret number 2, layer dark to light. Unlike watercolor, pastels work beautifully when you layer from dark to light. Establish your dark values first, then gradually build up midtones and highlights. This approach helps create depth and prevents your highlights from getting muddied. The reason this works is because lighter pigments sit on top of darker ones, catching the eye and adding brilliance. This simple habit makes your drawings pop with three-dimensional form. Secret number 3, use the side of the pastel. Many beginners hold pastels like pencils and draw just with the tip. But the secret is to use the side of the pastel stick. This lets you cover large areas quickly, apply even tones, and create soft blending. Save the tip or edge for details later. This combination of broad coverage and crisp marks gives your piece variety and keeps it visually interesting. Secret number 4, think in shapes, not lines. Instead of drawing outlines, train yourself to see and block in shapes of color and value. Pastels are perfect for this approach since they're more painterly than linear. Thinking in terms of shapes helps you build form, depth, and proportion more naturally. Secret number 5, layer colors. One of the greatest strengths of pastels is their ability to layer colors. Start with broad, darker layers and build lighter ones on top. Each layer adds richness, depth, and texture. The tooth of the paper allows you to build up multiple passes, creating complexity and life in your work. Secret number 6, mix colors on the surface. Unlike paint, pastels don't mix on a palette. They mix directly on the paper. Layer strokes of different colors and let your eye do the blending. For example, layer blue over yellow to create a lively green that feels more vibrant than a pre-mixed stick. This technique gives your work energy and sparkle. Secret number 7, blend with care. Blending is tempting, but overblending can make your work muddy. The secret is to balance blended and non-blended areas. Use soft blending for skies, skin, or calm backgrounds, but keep crisp, unblended strokes for texture and energy. This contrast adds depth and variety to your piece. Secret number 8, bump up color relationships. Colors are powerful, but their impact depends on what's around them. To make your focal area stand out, push color relationships. Pair warm colors against cool ones, light against dark, or complementary colors side by side. Exaggerating these contrasts creates drama and draws the viewer's eye. Secret number 9, protect your work. Pastels are loose and powdery, so protecting your work is essential. Some artists like to use a workable fixative lightly between layers, but don't overdo it. Using a fixative can darken colors. Once finished, frame your work behind glass with a mat to keep the surface intact. Protection ensures your effort lasts for years to come. And now for a bonus tip. Practice with purpose. The final secret is practice, but not just doodling. Practice with purpose. Try studies focused only on layering, only on blending, or only on color mixing. Each focused exercise builds confidence and skill so your finished pieces become stronger. Pastels are expressive, vibrant, and so much fun to work with when you know how to control them. Try out these tips in your own artwork and you'll see a huge difference. If you want to take your drawing and painting skills to the next level, you can do so over at thevirtualinstructor.com. There you'll find thousands of videos on a variety of subject matter and media, including pastels. We have quite an extensive pastel collection over there. Just scan the QR code on your screen or look for the link in the description below. There you'll learn more about what we offer and what you can learn and how you can take your drawing and painting skills to the next level. I look forward to seeing you over there.